Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you all are fine. Welcome in class Montessori 3, subject social studies. Dear student, our today's topic is things in my room. So let's start. Bed, bed, study table, curtain, curtain, dressing table, vase, vase, air conditioner, wall clock, wardrobe, Dear student, you have to draw two things which are in your bedroom: clock and lamp. So dear student, here today's homework is that draw two things that are in your bedroom with name, book page number 30. Memorize these bedroom things with its spelling: bed, lamp, clock, table, chair. Dear student, make it video and send it me on WhatsApp. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.